rural market, it is very difficult for any business to track end to end. But with TeleCRM, by integrating it in our work business operations, we are able to track it so well that it has never been done in this industry before. Having customers visibility of the customer's journey is very important for us, as we are dealing with rural channels, right? Rural village farmers. Rural farmers tend to not digitally transact to the store visit, but they will have to speak to someone manually. So our call center team, our objective with our team was to drive store visits, and that was the big challenge for us. And TeleCRM, by integrating that to our call center, by empowering them with TeleCRM, we were able to actually track the customer till the time he visits the store, and then the conversion that happens there. We have multiple channels where we do marketing, offline, online. So we generate data, a lot of data. So when the data comes to the system, there are specific information that we want from that customer, like his name, number, of course, followed by what is his preferred model, what is his preferred year of purchase, and what is his budget. What is the buy type, loan or cash. All this information is very crucial. Once our call center churn this data and turn this raw lead into sales qualified lead, that is the time where same TeleCRM help us transit that data to another workspace which is connected to our dealership. And from there, the dealership is able to see what is the kind of leads that we have generated, and from there they can take that conversation further with the customer and do the negotiation or the final transition.
Are you able to track your dealers' activities, your calls activities?
Yes, that is another big thing, because all our callers are remotely working, and to be able to track their work efficiency and number of calls that they do, follow-ups and everything, I am getting that visibility at one place. One feature is again, I will say, the graphical representation of the statuses, of the lead statuses, that I can see location wise. I mean, in one view, I can understand what is happening.
Like how many leads are there in different pipelines?
In different pipelines,
Right.
Exactly, and I can see it through assignee wise.
Assignee wise, right?
Yeah,
You
that
can
is
group
like-
them on the basis
Yeah,
of
that
assignee.
is one of the key. In the rural market, it is very difficult for any business to track end to end. But with TeleCRM and by integrating it in our work business operations, we are able to track it so well that it has never been done in this industry before. Like tracking those customers from digital to offline, and to see them actually visit the store, because of having a proper view of that customer end to end and having control on that customer data. I think month on month we are growing by 15-20% easily, and digital contribution has majority of our leads that come from digital channel, and through TeleCRM we track the conversion. So I would safely say every month there is a growth of 5 to 10%, or overall business 20 to 25% of sales happens through our TeleCRM leads.